Good evening. It's a pleasure to be here today with Professor Paola Bellis, who has been involved in the first unit of our specializing master project management in construction works for many years. The unit is fundamentals of management engineering. We are here with her today to know something about the contents of her lessons.
Yes, so thank you very much and good evening to everyone. Yes, so the course about project management delivered for the master is a course that provides, let's say, all the basics about project management and its main tools, meaning all those tools that may support a project manager when managing a project, even a complex project, and it allows him to take the right decision basically in the right moment. So the entire course starts with a reflection about what defines a project and why it is such, let's say, a unique entity that needs a specific philosophy and a specific way of thinking in order to be managed. Then introduce some particular aspect about what does it mean to organize a project and how to involve all these different features, stakeholders, and resources that are needed about that. And then basically the biggest part of the course is focused on understanding which are all the tools that might be used, especially even from people that has background like in architecture or civil engineering, that therefore maybe is much more a technical background, but then actually in the end when they go into the workplace, their life deals with projects. So understand how to manage them and how to interact with all the actors involved becomes crucial. So the course focus really on going through all the main phases on what does it mean managing a project and focuses on all the tools that need to be enacted in order to facilitate this managing process.
Thank you.
And yes, besides the technical contents, let me say the theoretical aspects, the course provide even the opportunities to practice them. So we foresee to have, let's say, different kind of practical exercise, something more specific and other more general. And these exercises deals both, let's say, with the field of references typical of the students. So we look, for instance, at the field of construction, but we look also to other kind of fields, such as the food industry or the fashion industry. And that's basically for the purpose to give the opportunity to students to really focus on the tools that are explained in class and to practice with them and to focus on them and be sure to have, in a way, understood and learned them in a proper way without really considering all the kind of biases that they might have if relating to the field of reference that they actually know very well, and therefore entering into a kind of bias in considering things could be quite common in a way.
Thank you, Paola. Probably, as you have said, it's even more important for architects and civil engineers who basically lack these managerial skills to delve deep into project management because during the university years probably they have studied a lot of technical courses, also achieved a lot of technical skills, but as you said, when you start working, also managerial skills are crucial. And so, given the fact they almost all of them lack these skills, a course like this one could provide a lot of value for their future careers.
Yes, sure, because I mean, as you already said, basically, with a background as they enter into the work market, it's most likely that they will deal with, I mean, hopefully design something or work for big projects and big companies that deal with that. I don't know, in Italy we build, that is one of the biggest companies in that field, and they manage enormous projects all around the world, which is actually something amazing that we should value a little bit more. And so probably acquiring the knowledge about project management that is a universal knowledge, okay, it is recognized all around the world. It's kind of knowledge that may enable students to acquire even a language that enable them to, as they enter, for instance, for this big corporation and work for these big projects, foster their ability to enter in contact with other people, with other colleagues, new stakeholders, new people. And so within this course, we try to stress even all these aspects, like not only which are the technical tools of project management, which is the language, but even like which are the managerial aspect, even from a leadership perspective, and to try to understand even how to move within a complex organizational environment when dealing with project management.
Thank you, Paola. Very helpful, and I really look forward to seeing you for the next edition of this Specializing Master.
Thank you very much, and
Very much.
forward
Bye.
for that.
Bye, Paola.